Mike, tell us what's going on.
Well, you know, we were looking for number 12 on the treasure hunt and got ourselves into a little ordeal here.
We found 13. That's what we found. Bad luck.
Just a quick reminder for all of you, if you don't have that yellow media or orange media vest or one of these nice, amazing...
I got a media thing. I just want to hang out with my friends. Pro R's kind of fast. That's a 25 Pro R. I didn't really see much of a difference at first when I first saw him come out, but now I'm just like, you can see the differences. I do still like my little catfish though. Oh snap. So we got two fast cars now, guys. Amanda, obviously she's fast. This Can-Am that Hanson built is definitely not slow. Come on, Amanda.
Here we go.
Oh my God! Who won that, dude? Huh?
They red lit. Right lane did.
Oh! Alright guys, so we're down to the finals now. We got Stormtrooper versus Brandon Raddick. He's driving the Martian Maverick R. He rolled that one in Winchester.
Alright.
But he got her back up, guys.
Here we go.
Come on, Stormtrooper! This is a good race. Oh my God, that was way closer than I thought. This is the semi-finals, right? Yeah, she don't even have to try.
Don't jump.
I would let Brandon go first if I were her. Both females? Oh. So this is two women. I think that's awesome.
Woman head-to-head final. Here we go.
That's pretty cool. This is both women. So she races for Packer, but she's part of our whole Whiskey Throttle family. She's freaking awesome, man. That was a good freaking run. They're going to have to run it again, aren't they?
Yeah, both clean runs. Man, this car hauls ass. Both good drivers, both badasses.
Oh,
both women, I love seeing them back.
I know, dude.
So awesome.
I'm going to build Krista a drag car one day. Krista wants to drag race so bad.
So badass. She could definitely do it too.
Oh, yeah.
She'd kill it.
Oh, yeah.
She's got that mentality.
Oh, yeah. You can see, like, the look on Amanda's face,
Oh,
dude.
yeah. You can just see through her helmet, right?
Yeah, you can tell she's locked in, bro. So, it is, man. So, this is the last race, so both those cars are undefeated now, Amanda, and I'm not sure of this woman's name, but this is going to be a good run. So, let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure we know what's going to happen, but that Can-Am's not slow. They've changed lanes.
If Amanda pulls this, she will win this morning's junior class. All right, racer.
That's a good run. I love that it's two women going at it.
Are you ready?
What a way to lose! What a way to lose, guys, to redline. Oh, and nerves are popping, so I get it. It's so hard when your nerves are just going and going and going like that. That was a good run. Good job, Amanda. I'm proud of you. Bonus footage. Okay, I lied, guys. I thought he was really going to get it. So Cody's going on his first ride with Colt. He's never ridden in a fast Pro R before. Oh, I should have gave him the camera. Oof. That car ain't slow. The crazy thing is my car is now just as fast as that. That's what's crazy.
Okay, we're gonna let her rip. Out the side, out the front, what do we want?
about it, Cody? What's your first impressions?
It's damn fast.
Is it? You want a Pro R now?
Makes me want a Pro R.
More than a Maverick car?
You got a booster? Oh yeah. I wouldn't buy a Maverick car right now, I don't think.
No, me neither. We're gonna get Cody to switch to the dark side, guys. He's gonna get a Pro R. Mike, tell us what's going on.
Well, you know, we were looking for number 12 on the treasure hunt and got ourselves into a little ordeal here.
We found 13, that's what we found. Bad luck. I didn't roll or anything. I literally ran into Marissa and Mike, and they were like, asking me what his number was. Like, oh, I'll show you. I think I know how to get there. And then I ended up on this drop off. Got this awesome guy here who's gonna save our lives. A freaking hero with rear steer. That's a sexy machine. We'll be back momentarily after these messages. Bingo, got it. You're my hero. You're my hero.
I don't know where neutral is.
Okay. All right. This man is awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So we're with some professional rock climbers now, and these guys are gonna help Evergreen Mike get up. Lock your four-wheel drive. No, lock your diff. Look at you, Mike. I believed in you this whole time.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, back it up just a little bit and then give it a little bump.
I kept doing that with mine, but I think mine's just too low.
Yeah, right there. All right, watch out. Don't go full whiskey throttle, just a little bit.
Little roll action.
Yeah.
Maybe just stay right there, Mike, so we don't scrape up your... Okay. This is his father-in-law's car.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. You're about to catch, Mike. Yes! Yay! Good job, Evergreen.
Evergreen Mike.
Evergreen Mike. Okay, guys, we officially made it out of that chaos. All I was trying to help him do was find one stupid treasure hunt thing. Ha! This nice guy is actually going to lead us out, hopefully. I did successfully make it back to camp. I got baby Miles and Krista coming. We're gonna go up to Vendor Row for a second. What a wild ride, guys. Marissa actually got a lot more footage than I did, but it's in like portrait mode, so. Anyways, we're gonna go to Vendor Row. So, down here at the track races, I'm too bro right now. I keep forgetting to turn the GoPros on, but I turned them on. We got Richard Hell right there with Hell Speed. Awesome guy, very good driver. He's got a pretty damn quick car. This is the first time I've pushed my car hard since I put the turbo on it, which I'm gonna do a review on this tomorrow, guys. But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Okay, all right, guys. Freaking Richard Hell's car is fast, dude. I had no idea he had a huge turbo and a built motor. Have you beat everybody you raced against?
Yeah, so far.
So far?
Yeah.
Have you raced anybody who's worth competition?
Just Cody.
Yeah, I beat Cody by a little bit. His car's still pretty fast.
Yeah. And yeah, it's not like his car's just, it's fast, but it's not this level fast.
Yeah, how bad did okay?
No.
Well, the good news is you're going straight.
Yeah.
So,
Today.
oh God, I'm kind of impressed. Patty Mayo's running good so far. Hopefully she continues to do so. We got all these people back here drag racing. It's a blast, and you can do this in any car, guys. Whether you have the fastest car or the slowest car, it doesn't matter. We're just out here having fun. So come out and have fun with us.
Got a flight in, can't even see me, I'm way out of here. Flights, walking on shit, turn it up when I guess. Came out the gutter, they never me to swing. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bang. Tryna nail up, gotta make sure she good. Park up 2 million, a build on my hood.
Drag races were fun, guys. I won some, I lost some. I'm still learning that car. It definitely needs a 2-step on it to get off the line, because Colt's car off the line is just whoa. Now we're at Rock and Roll Bingo. We got people dancing, having fun.
You're gonna have to take care of that.